Hello everyone, and welcome to the RV Inspection and Care channel. I'm Dwayne, and today we're going to talk about Diamond Shield. Diamond Shield installs clear front-end protection film on the front of RVs and motorhomes. In fact, they're the largest installation company for clear front-end protection in the industry. Now, if you look up Diamond Shield on the forums, you're going to find that there's a lot of people who love Diamond Shield, but there's also a lot of people who don't love it. So why the extremes? Well, I was a Diamond Shield installer for a couple of years, and I got to see the problems that RV owners are facing with this product up close. What I notice is that in most cases, a lot of RV owners don't maintain the shield after the purchase of the motorhome. And there are two enemies of Diamond Shield. Number one, it's the sun's ultraviolet rays. It basically bakes the shield, it cracks it, it can fade it, yellow it. And then if moisture gets behind the shield, the number two enemy is mold. So without maintenance, Diamond Shield can look like this. Now, that's pretty bad. And nobody wants the front end of their motorhome or RV to look like that. So how can we prevent shield deterioration? Well, the Diamond Shield main office recommends using a product called 303 Aerospace Protectant, using it regularly. 303 is a very high quality ultraviolet inhibitor. And so if you apply it to the shield, it helps prevent the damage from the sun's rays. Now, some RV owners take everything a little step further, and they also apply what's called a polymer sealant to the Diamond Shield, or the clear front-end protection film. And the purpose of the polymer sealant is to provide a moisture barrier so that moisture doesn't get through the shield and begin to set up mold. Now, if you decide to use the polymer sealant, you should apply it first to the shield. And in fact, you can apply it a couple of times, a couple of coats is good, and then apply the 303 Aerospace product. Now, let me show you how it's done. It's actually very simple. I have two high-quality microfiber products here, or towels. And I will take my 303 Aerospace Protectant, and I'll spray it on one, and just make it moist. Not sopping wet, just moist. And now I'll spray it on the shield. I take the wet towel, I simply wipe it on, just like that. That's simple. Take the dry towel and wipe off the excess. And that's it. That's all you have to do to protect your Diamond Shield. Now, how often should that be done? The general rule of thumb is at least once a month. But I will say this, there are parts of the country where it may need to be done more often. If you live in southern Texas or in Florida, that's a high humidity area. You may want to even do this process maybe every couple of weeks or so. If you're regular with the maintenance, then Diamond Shield will last a long time and it'll look great. And you may be one of those on the forum that says, I love my Diamond Shield. Well, that's it for now. Have safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.